Okay, so when twisting the tabs down, you're just going to take the back tabs and roll them until they look like they would fit, they would be able to go the right direction. Then you take the baby probably would work a lot better with a newborn diaper, but you'll get the idea. This only has one insert in it, but obviously the bear should be like probably in a preemie diaper. Okay, you do the same thing when you're doing a diaper for with Velcro. Velcro is actually a little bit easier because snaps are kind of awkward. Yeah. This is a medium diaper, just for size reference. Thank you. Leave the bear here, please. Sorry.
Daddy.
That's it.